What is it, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day. Finally gonna change that quad exhaust. So here's what I got. I went with the MXP Comp RS exhaust. Let's take a second and literally look at this packaging. They did such a good job. So much packaging just to ensure that everything is just nice and safe, no issues whatsoever. Look at that. Shout out to them for that. All the packaging out. You can see this. This is basically like a NVIDIA R400 style. It's basically the same thing. It's got the same sort of mufflers. Let's get the two different mufflers on the side right here. It is adjustable tips. They are 3.5 inch. And overall, look at the quality on the welds. I think it's very good quality. I like it so far. Looks good. It comes with all the hardware, like I said. And nice badging right here. Comp RS. So let's get this on and see how it goes. I put it on ramps. I'm not 100% sure if that's gonna be high enough. But we're gonna try. I might have to jack up the front to get to where that connects to the cat. But we're gonna see. Alright guys, so I didn't have to jack it, unfortunately. So again, put jack stand on, jack on, just, you know, added safety. But I do still have the ramps just in case anything falls. What I am gonna do right now though is the hangers. I'm gonna spray some PB Blaster on all the hangers. There's two there. Another one here, and I'm sure there's one somewhere up there, but I'm gonna spray all the hangers with PB Blasters. That way it's easier to come out. Those hangers are a pain all the time, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, just simple bolt off there, and the bolts by the cat, and that should be it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here's basically a side-by-side comparison of the mufflers, mid pipe and wide pipe. So you can see there is a very big significance on the piping size. This is a 3-inch, so I'm assuming this is 2 1/4 all around. And when it comes to weight, I was just feeling like the stock mufflers and the MXP ones, and in all seriousness, it all feels the same. I think it's all the same weight. It's not really saving any weight on that aspect. But it is 3.5 inch, like I said. These are adjustable tips. So yeah, let's get this on and see how it sounds. I'm excited. I can't wait. Alright guys, exhaust is on. Bolted it down. These are, like I said, adjustable tips. This side, I need to adjust them again. This is like 1/2 inch out from the bumper. That's 1.5 inches, so I have to play with it a little bit, but I'm just so excited to get this thing started. I just left it go as it is. Everything is on, as you can see. Now, let's get started. Well, let's get this thing started and see how it sounds. guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the car down, go for a little drive, go to a secluded road and try to do some flybys. I unfortunately don't have anybody to hold the camera for me, but I will do my best. And hope to see you in the next one, because there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming in the next few months for this. So definitely like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one.